Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on installing Actionpoint software. Before you begin, uninstall older versions of Actionpoint. Make sure all available Microsoft Windows and Office updates have been installed. Actionpoint can be installed using the Actionpoint CD-ROM or with the software link. If using the CD-ROM, simply insert the CD-ROM and follow the installation steps. If using the link, download and you will see the zip file on your desktop. Right-click on the folder. From this menu, select Extract All. The Extract Compressed Zipped Folders window appears. Click on Extract. The extracted folder appears on the desktop. Click to open the folder. Click on Setup.exe. The Install Shield wizard appears. Click Next. Click Next. Select Complete, then click Next. Click Install. After installation, the Actionpoint icons will appear on your desktop. Click on the Actionpoint icon. The Qwizdom Actionpoint tab appears on the PowerPoint toolbar. This is the Qwizdom Actionpoint toolbar. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. For more tutorials, please go to www.qwizdom.com.